sure if you know this, but when we first met, I got so nervous I couldn't speak. In that very moment,
Saya nikahkan Ramadaliana, anak kandung saya, untukmu. Maharnya 3 mayat emas tunai.
Saya terima nikah Ramadaliana, anak kandung bapak, untuk saya maharnya 3 mayat emas tunai.
Alhamdulillah.
so as long as I live, I love you, will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. What we have is timeless, my love is endless, and with this ring I say to the world, you're my every reason, you're all that I believe in. With all my heart I mean every word. So as long as I live, I love you, will have and hold you. You look so beautiful.
Selamat kepada Ramadaliana, selamat menempuh hidup baru, semoga sakinah mawaddah warahmah.
Selamat kepada Ramadaliana, semoga keluarganya sakinah mawaddah warahmah.
Why tonight? Ooh, you look so beautiful in white. Na, 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 na. So beautiful in white tonight. And if a daughter is what our future holds, I hope she has your eyes, finds love like you and I did. Yeah, but when she falls in love, we'll let her go, and I won't go down the aisle. She looks so beautiful in white. You look so beautiful in white. So as long as I live, I love you, will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white.
Selamat Wayana, semoga kehidupannya yang akan datang semakin baik, semakin indah sesuai dengan harapan, mempunyai keturunan yang lebih baik, solehah.
Buat Yana, selamat ya. Semoga keluarga ya penuh dengan kasih sayang. Yang penting dalam keluarga itu salinglah memberi, jangan saling meminta. Sekali lagi selamat buat Yana ya. Semoga bahagia dunia akhirat.